Let's start. The project name is Share Data. Let's see the project structure. At the app level, build.gradle file, set up the view binding. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have an edit text where the user would enter some text to share. And we have a button. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. First, we set up the view binding. In the onCreate function, when the button is clicked, first, we fetch the data from the edit text. Then we create an action sendIntent. Then we put our text data in the putExtra function. Then we set the data type as text/plain. Then we call the createChooser function. This opens an app chooser panel that lets the user choose which app he wants to use to share the data. Here we pass the intent to the chooser. And then we call the startActivity function, and pass the intent in it. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement data sharing in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.